Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to view the allocation details of all the employees within the organization and also perform various functions over the data. Once the user navigates to the People Allocation app, he or she can click on the People tab to view the allocation details of all the employees. The user can apply filters to retrieve data based on condition. He or she can also customize the field toggles and the ordering of the same. The user can also switch between views. The categorization of the tabs is based on the status of allocation of the employees. The filters can be removed by clicking on the Clear Config button. Thank you for watching.